Join your hands, close your eyes, children. Let us begin the prayer. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti. So children, we are going to have a set of revision questions with you in different forms. So I hope you all are ready with that. And of course,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
also ready.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me share the screen first of all. So we are going to have some set of questions which is in the form of recapitulation. I hope everybody knows what is the meaning of recapitulation.
Yes, ma'am.
Like in the television serials, there is written recap. That means what has happened in the earlier days. A small snapshots of that is being set over there so that you can revise what has been done. Okay, so in the same way we are going to have it for this particular session, that revision of the topic which we have done in the previous classes. Fine, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are having the heading, shall we try? So let us try for something. Can we start with level 1?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody agrees to it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great. Let me see what is there in level 1. Let me click on that. Oh, the link says that it is having a Kahoot quiz over there. Let me click on that. And it is taking me to the Kahoot ID. So this time I will be playing with you all.
Find in Google.
You don't have to click anywhere. I am starting the quiz.
Ma'am, like we did in 4th class.
Yeah, you can say that. You can say that. I will be sharing it with you. You will be telling me very quickly.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry to be late, Myra.
No issues, no issues. So who all are having this thing with them, they can immediately log into it. The game pin is being shared. Are you getting the game pin, children, on your screen?
No, ma'am. It's
No,
just
ma'am.
showing level 1, level 2, ma'am. It's showing. Showing the
Okay.
PPT slide. Level 1, level 2.
Okay. Let me reshare the screen with this thing. So level
Ma'am, you
1, on
got
clicking on level 1, it has taken me to the Kahoot site. So here I am sharing this Kahoot game pin. Can you see it over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
come on,
yes,
you
ma'am.
just
Just
type
join
your
it.
game pin over there.
How to type it? I have forgotten.
Kahoot.in, right? Kahoot.in.
Okay, ma'am.
Here are the instructions, that join at www.kahoot.it, or simply you can write kahoot.in, and any simply if you will write Kahoot also, then also it will take you to the page over there. Enter the game pin.
Excuse me, ma'am. Where is
Yes.
the Kahoot?
In your browser, Rishit, please write down Kahoot.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in my browser. Ma'am, Vivana came.
Yes, I can see that. Just
Ma'am,
the
sorry.
morning game going to play. Yes,
Ma'am, Kahoot
Kahoot.in.
quiz.
Yes, child.
I'm sorry to say.
So I'm giving you 2 minutes. Quickly, come on, everyone. There are a lot many things to be
Ma'am,
done. It's
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, it is showing Ma'am, it is showing Kahoot learning games make learn amaze.
Yeah, that is the first instruction. Or above that or lower that, you will see enter pin.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It will be there. Enter pin.
Yes, ma'am.
Please enter pin.
798.
If at all any child is not able to join through the pin, at least you can have the revision questions once I start the quiz, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you wait for some?
Come on.
Ma'am, where you have sent the ID?
On the screen, it is getting shared. Okay, because there are a lot many things to be done, so I'm starting the play. Okay, because it is just a revision form. So let us have it with you. Here I can see 14 children have
wait
joined.
for 2 minutes. Ma'am, wait for just 2 minutes. I can't able to do.
Rakshit, you need to write kahoot.in and then enter pin.
Ma'am, but it is showing no sponsor. Ma'am, I have done.
No
Ma'am, I
issues.
have
Our motive is to revise what we have studied. Okay, if you are not able to join, doesn't matter. We will have lot many Kahoot quizzes in the coming revision classes. Fine.
What is?
Okay, I'm starting it because we are not having.
Wait, ma'am, can you wait? Joining from the laptop. Ma'am, 1 second.
So let us have the first question. One way to reduce pollution is to, I hope you remember children, on your devices you will be clicking on the color. I read the instructions: throw garbage in water bodies, burn plastic goods, cutting the trees, recycle the waste. The color which you feel is the correct, having the correct option, you have to click on your color. So here 8 children have gone for the recycling the waste. That is absolutely the correct answer. 3 children have said throw garbage in water bodies. No, we cannot throw garbage in water bodies. What will happen if we throw garbage in water bodies?
Ma'am, then we call it as water pollution.
Yes, then it will cause water pollution. So our question was reduce pollution, whether it is water, air, whichever pollution, right? So let us have this.
Ma'am, mine is also correct.
Correct. So I hope you have reminded yourself related to the topic of pollution. So here is the scoreboard coming up. Let's have the next question. True and false. The presence of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is beneficial. True or false? Click on your color. The presence of carbon dioxide is beneficial. True or false? 8 children have said yes. 5 children have said no. Why?
Ma'am, Rishit, I have said correct.
So 5 children, the presence of carbon dioxide.
Because it increases global warming as it's trapping the heat of
No. The level, the presence, the natural presence of carbon dioxide is helpful, is beneficial. Otherwise, the warmth of the earth will not be there. Okay. So warmth is there because of this gas only. It is the human interference which is increasing its level, and then it becomes not a beneficial thing for the environment. Otherwise it is beneficial. If CO2 is not there, then everywhere the cold temperature will be there.
Ma'am,
Going to the,
I'm not able to see the question on my screen only.
you need to rejoin, otherwise because that must be a network issue at your end. You will not see the question on your screen. You will see the question which I am sharing on the screen. You will just see the colors on your screen. Okay, you have to, yeah, you have to click over there. And we are having the next question now. Someone has unmuted. Please mute yourself. The surroundings or conditions in which an organism lives is called adaptation, environment, both, none. The surroundings or conditions in which an organism lives is called adaptation, environment, both or none. So you have to click on the color. I remind you, you have to click on the color on your device. Excellent. 11 children have gone for environment. That's the correct answer. Can anyone give me the other name for environment in this case?
Ma'am, habitat.
Excellent. Perfect. All right. Habitat. Exactly correct answer. Habitat could have also been given in place of this environment. And 4 children have gone for adaptation. Children, adaptation is not the environmental conditions. It is the physical features which are getting changed so that an organism can live in that environment or habitat. Let's have the scoreboard. Okay, there is Ara, Bhavivan, Rishit, Ashwarya, Aditi. Come on, children, buck up yourselves. Akshansh is the highest climber. Great. And we are having the fourth question. The Taj Mahal in Agra has been a victim of. You have to click on the color. Monsoon rainfall, acid rain, soil erosion, flood. What can be the correct answer? The Taj Mahal in Agra has been a victim of.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of
Victim means it has been destroyed, it has been. Okay, the answer has been given correctly by 16 children. Wonderful. That means most of you remember that it has been the victim of acid rain. And if I want you to recall, if I want you children to recall what is acid rain, I hope you will be able to give the meaning of the acid rain, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Perfect. So here comes the scoreboard again, and Ara, Bhavivan, Ashwarya, Aditi, and Sunishka are coming up the ladder. Excellent. Sehaj is the highest climber in this case. True and false again. Is greenhouse structure an effective way to do farming in cold regions? True or false? I repeat, is greenhouse structure an effective way to do farming in cold regions? 10 children have gone for the true. That is right. Yes, greenhouse is that structure which is made up of glass, and glass is having the same property like carbon dioxide traps the heat of the sun. Glass also traps the heat of the sun, which helps the plants to grow in cold polar regions. Understood, children? What is the greenhouse effect or greenhouse gas structure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me have this thing. Prabnoor has come up the ladder. Arav is maintaining his position. Great work, Arav. Abhivand is also maintaining his second place. Great work, Abhivand. Ashwarya has climbed up. Aditi, then Prabnoor. Very good. And last question is coming up from the Kahoot over here. True and false. Very quick. Can water pollution affect marine life? True or false? Can water pollution affect marine life? True or false?
false? Ma'am, false.
Absolutely wonderful. Everybody has said, can water pollution affect marine life? Yes, you have hit the jackpot. That is true. Everyone has said true. Yes, indeed, it is true. Water pollution will be affecting the marine life.
Ma'am, can we again play one more game of
There are a lot many things, Vivan. Just hold on for today's class, okay? Okay, here is the spotlight having on Arav, roll number 1, Abhivan, and Aditi. Well done, children. Runners up, Ashwarya and Prabnu. Wonderful. Clap for yourselves and for your class. Excellent. Wonderful start for the day and lovely.
Ma'am, I want to play one more. I love it.
There are a lot many things, Vivan. Just hold
Ma'am,
on.
Rishit, my score is 2,432.
Perfect. Now let me have this with you. Another round of something else. Let's have it.
Ma'am, this is very fun.
Ma'am,
Great.
of Kahoot?
Okay, level 1 was Kahoot, which you have done. Now, shall we try level 2, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A game. Excuse me, Mama, I was not getting. Like, it's a World War I.
Yeah, this one is the world war. Word wall.
Word, word,
It,
not
the homophone seems to be related to world wall.
Word wall. Word wall.
Okay, here is your
Wall.
what is this thing is coming up. I have clicked it, so let me share this. Yeah. I have to change the screen and I'm sharing the screen with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you also
Ma'am,
share
today's day is fun.
all the
Now
links
you will be telling me, this time you will be telling me, but there should be no confusion, one at a time. Fine, let me have it on.
Physical change. Chemical and physical.
Ma'am, I have
Is
a
the is the
topic.
full screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
great. Let me start
Start.
it. In this case, you have to sort. Is the sound audible, children?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Chalo, no issues. I'm not going back, but there was a little bit of sound. Now, there are some of the things which is coming over here. As you can see the pictures. Can you see the pictures, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, you will be one by one, you will be telling me to where should I drop these pictures. Fine, either under chemical changes or physical changes. But before that, I hope you remember what is a chemical change and what is a physical change.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So
It's going
first,
to be 1 minute now.
no issues.
Condensation is a physical change.
Condensation is a
Yes, ma'am.
physical change.
Physical change.
Absolutely right, Ashwarya. So I
condensation,
drag it
physical
over
change.
here. Perfect. Bed rising. Bread is rising.
And chemical change.
Ma'am, it is
Chemical
chemical
change.
change.
Very good. Chemical change. Cooking an egg.
Chemical change. It's a chemical change.
Perfect. Oh,
change.
you all
Chemical
remember
change.
so many things. Cutting an apple.
Ma'am,
Physical
change.
change.
Ma'am,
Chemical change.
physical change. Physical
There
change.
is a confusion. Where should I put cutting an apple?
Ma'am, physical change. Chemical.
Okay, Abhiman, tell me.
Ma'am, it is physical.
It is physical. Cutting a paper or cutting an apple. Cutting is your physical. Okay. Fireworks.
Ma'am, chemical change.
Chemical change.
Chemical.
Perfect. Painting a house.
Ma'am, physical change.
Ma'am, physical change.
Painting a house. You cannot get back the paint. It is a chemical change. Ice cream melting. Ice cream melting.
Physical change, ma'am.
Physical change. Okay. Leaves changing their color.
Chemical change.
Chemical change. We are guessing it. Okay. Great. Folding of laundry. Physical change. Yes, you are changing the shape of your this thing. Cutting off hair. Exactly. Very good. Yes, it is a physical change. Perfect. Food molding. That is fungus has grown in this. What? Very good. It is a chemical change. Breaking a pencil. It is just a physical change. It is just a physical change. I will tell how. I will tell you.
Ma'am, its
Burning of
property is
wood.
not chemical.
Yes.
Ma'am, chemical change. Ma'am, chemical change.
Burning of wood is a chemical change. Bicycle rust. It is a chemical change. That is rusting of iron. Boiling water is a physical change. Now somewhere some mistake. Salt milk has to be a chemical change. Somewhere something has happened.
Bicycle rust. We have to remove, I think.
No, rusting of iron it is. It is a chemical change. Just check your answers. Food molding, painting a house.
Painting a house.
Chalo, let's take painting a house over there. And if we take, let's see, submit the answers, okay?
Yes.
All correct. These are all correct.
But ma'am,
Yes.
how could we get the paint back from the?
Yes, that has to be there, but they are just talking about that you are painting the house, you are not changing any structure in case of the house. In that way, it will be a physical change. They are not talking about the paint, they are focusing on the structure of the house. So property of house remains the same whether you paint it or whether you do not paint it. Okay, so last is your, let me see what is last over there.
Nothing, ma'am. I think it's not there.
There
it's
is
keep
something.
going.
There is keep going. It is a Google form.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Keep going.
This is not the last. There is something else also there. So let us have this thing with you. Then the extreme last will be coming up. Okay.
Oh my God.
So let me share this link with you. Let me have the.
Yes.
I will be opening it on my device and I will be sharing the link with you. Fine.
We will do it ourselves, ma'am. Ma'am,
Of course.
Ma'am, is it any count? Okay.
No, it is a Google form link. I'm sharing it with you in your chat box. Fine. So you will be getting it in both ways. I'm sharing it, whether it's in the class WhatsApp group also, in this chat box also I'm sharing it.
Okay, ma'am.
If it opens in this chat, fine. Otherwise, you paste the link and open it in your Google browser over there. There also it will open. If not, then you have to use another device. There are a lot many options. Let me get the link. I'm pasting the link in this chat message. Can you see, children? Just check it out if you can click it over there. If not, then I will share my screen
Ma'am,
with
it
the.
came. Ma'am, it came and we can open it.
Ma'am,
Great.
it came in science channel. Ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, we can open it. We can open it.
are you able to see the questions?
Ma'am, opening.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So start attempting. Not much time. Each question, maximum you give 30 seconds and quickly finish it off. At the most 1 minute, though a time limit is not given, but it has to be completed. 9:23 is the time. By 9:30, you all must start giving me.
Ma'am, in the starting, there is something short answer text.
Yeah, I can see that.
Ma'am, I don't know the letters are changing.
Oh, that is, what is your
Yes,
name? What is
ma'am.
your name? What is your name?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Let me share the screen with you all. So that, yes, Abhivan? Chalo, never mind. Let's have the questions with you. Okay. We are able to stay on the ground because of.
Ma'am, when I am clicking on the option, it is not coming be selected.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's
Ma'am,
have
it's
it.
coming
Let's
add-on.
have it in the oral form.
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
will. There must be some
Ma'am,
technical.
gravitation.
Ma'am, it's the gravitational force.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it is
gravitational
gravitational force.
force.
Let's have it in the form of oral form.
Ma'am,
It is gravitational force, right? A hammer is an example of which kind of lever? Or is it a lever or not?
Never. First
A
Second
hammer is an
class
example
class
of.
level.
Second class level.
It is first class lever. Absolutely right. It is first class lever. Fine. The upward push of the water. The upward push of the water is called buoyant force. Right. No, this is not.
Buoyant force.
Right. Simple machines make our work easier or complicated?
Easier.
Easier. Very good. What is geothermal energy?
Easier.
Ma'am,
What is geothermal energy? It is the heat absorbed due to presence of carbon dioxide, it is the heat of the sun, or it is the heat which is present within the earth, or it is the heat caused by friction.
Ma'am,
Geothermal energy is the heat. Please mute.
presence of carbon dioxide.
That is
No, it is the heat present within the earth. Okay, within the earth, the heat which is generated from the earth within. You all must be knowing that we are having inner core. Core is very very hot. So that some child is shouting. Please mute yourself. I request you to please mute yourself.
Ma'am, it's Rishit only. It's Rishit.
Rishit, it will be great if you can mute yourself. Perfect. Now the last question. A nail tightens two objects together for a longer time as compared to a screw. True or false?
False.
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 Absolutely right. It is false. Very good. So nail is not tightening two objects together for a longer time. It is a screw that is doing the same thing. Fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Any doubt anybody is having till here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, one more thing is coming up. That will be the last one for the day and definitely not the least one. We are going to have something more like this in the recent coming up revision days once we have completed our syllabus. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm having this screencast on the screen. My screen will be focused on the shared screen.
ma'am, now you can show the extreme last one.
Yes, that is what I'm going forward. For that, I need to put my screen of phone on your screen, that is on this particular screen. Perfect. Now let me share the screen. Yes, Pujal.
Ma'am, here when I open,
Chalo, no issues. Pujal, we will discuss your issue a little later. On the screen right now, children, can you guess which screen is this? Anyone having?
Screencast.
That is fine, but which screen is being casted over here?
Your phone.
My phone.
Exactly. It is my phone
Yes,
which is
ma'am.
coming on your devices.
Ma'am, what is this game now?
This is not a game coming up. This is a small topic which is being shared from my phone to the screen.
Log into your account. Oh. Someone is unmuted.
Just hold on. Let me have it again. Okay, I wanted to show you this topic of elements. You must be, do you remember children, elements and compounds we have discussed?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Element
ma'am.
is made of one atom and compound are made up of many atoms.
Right, so we are going to have a little bit about elements and atoms. We are not talking about compounds today, only elements and atoms we are going to talk about.
The voice is not.
Voice is
Ma'am,
not
the voice
coming.
is very low.
No, it shouldn't be low. It should be the same one. Let me include. Just hold on.
Ma'am, it's low.
Yeah, I'm just going back. Just hold on. Just a second, let me stop the screen share and include the sound again. That may help.
Ma'am, the sound is coming, but the sound is very low.
Is the sound coming now?
Fundamental building blocks of matter.
Yes, ma'am. Coming.
More than
Yes,
100 elements are known to exist, including those that are man-made. An element is a substance that cannot be chemically decomposed. Gold, silver, titanium, and iron are a few examples of elements. Now let's talk about atoms. An atom is the smallest piece of matter. Matter is anything that can be touched physically. Everything in the universe except energy is made of matter, and so everything in the universe is made of atoms. Atoms consist of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons have positive charge while electrons have negative. But neutrons are particles that have neutral charge. Protons and neutrons stay very close to each other to form the dense, positively charged nucleus of the atom. Some people call it the atom core.
So lesson is finished. We are getting 10 points for it. If you want to restart, I will share this with you so that you can also have a look into it. Fine, children? So there are a lot many things on this particular application which you can also have it with you and revise your topics. Fine, children? Let me go to stop broadcasting. And now let me put it on escape. So that was a quick revision of so many topics which we have done till now. So I hope you must have recalled some of the points, some of the topics, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
perfect.